हेलो बच्चों, आज हम पढ़ेंगे सेंटेंस का थर्ड पार्ट, इंपरेटिव सेंटेंस। Those which express commands those which express commands request as those which express commands requests as be quiet, be quiet. The sentence that express a command, the sentence that express a command or an entirety is called a imperative sentence. Imperative sentence. The sentence that expresses a command or an entirety is called imperative sentence. For example, have mercy upon us. Second example, be honest. Third example, be careful. Those which express commands request as be quiet. The sentence that express a command or an entirety is called a imperative sentence. For example, have mercy upon us. Second example, be honest. Third example, be careful. ये हो गए हमारे imperative sentence और उसके examples. जो हमारे imperative sentence है वो हमारा sentence का third type है. The sentence that express a command or an entirety is called imperative sentence. For example, have mercy upon us. Thank you.